Hey, this is part 3 of our beginning Python course. We're starting to look at conditionals and logic now. What do I mean by that? What do I mean by conditionals and logic? I mean if, I mean else. I mean your program is going to hit a branch, a fork, where if something is true, it's going to do this thing. If it's not true, it's either going to do this other thing or it's not going to do anything at all. So this is where we have to start making choices in our programs, determining what to do when something is true or when it's not true. There's a couple of syntaxy things that are a little bit different here. Hopefully we've already covered this, and this is just a refresher for you, but if it's not, I'll explain it to you here. The keywords we're going to be looking at are if and else, right? And you'll see here that they've turned a nice shade of blue for us, showing that they're keywords. Okay, I've got a silly little program here where I'm going to ask the user to say hello. If they say hello, if their input equals, as in that's if it is exactly equal to hello, we're going to do this. We're going to print hello to you too. If it's not, we're going to print are you going to say hello? And I might just, no, we'll leave it there for the moment. Okay, let's run this, see what happens. Say hello. Hello. I should have done something a bit better with the spacing. I didn't. Oh well. Hello to you too. So I did say hello. That turned into, this whole statement here turned into true. Because this is true, if that is true, this thing happened, right? That line fired, we printed out hello. If I do something else, say hello. Nope. Are you going to say hello? Split across 2 lines. Cool. So that wasn't true, so the else statement happened. What if I come down here and say print this is going to happen anyway? That line of code is going to happen regardless of what this says, right? Say hello. No. So this didn't happen. I didn't say hello, and then so the else statement happened, and then this statement happened regardless. It's getting a little bit confusing there. I think I've got it a little bit too big. Let's just make it a bit smaller. Hopefully you can still see that. Okay, I'm going to delete that. Things to watch out for. Colons, tabs. If something, colon. Don't forget the little colon at the end. I forget them all the time. I'm sure I will forget them sometime in these videos. And else, colon. Whenever you've got a colon, the lines underneath it that live within that statement are tabbed in once. Okay, those are tabbed in once. So this here is a tab. Don't forget it. Python relies on tabbing so much. I don't think we've done any yet. Just watch out for tabbing. They are not spaces. Some people will have a little argument about whether they're tabs or whether or not they're spaces. No, they're tabs. That's what we are going to use exclusively. Tab them in once, right? Cool. And then when you're no longer in your if statement, you see how the else is lined up hard along that side again. It's hard up there. Dunk. It's hard up along there. And then the things that are inside the else statement are tabbed in once. Don't forget colons. Don't forget tabs. Right, let's look at the question. Bye-bye to that. Question 1. A video shop rents weekly videos for $2 each. However, if a customer rents 10 videos, they are charged $10 for the first 10 and $2 for each one above that. Ooh, I wonder if I'm going to come into focus. No, I'm going to stay a blurry mess. That's okay. determine inputs, processing, and outputs needed, and write the code. So you're going to, you're given a little bit more responsibility here, you know? They're not telling you exactly what inputs you need, what outputs you need. You should have that sort of stuff sorted by now. Cool. I'm just going to fix this focusing and come back to you. Right, let's make this program. So the first thing we need to do, of course, is get some input from the user. And videos equals integer input. How many videos do you have? Oh, do you need? Okay, fine. And we will now have that. Okay, what's the next thing I need to do? I need to say if videos is greater than, if it's greater than how many? If it's greater than 10. Now what? Total is going to be equal to 10 plus 2 times videos minus 10. And I'm going to put a little bracket around that. Okay, where did I get that from? Well, I have a number of videos. If it's greater than 10, I'm charged $10, as in for the first 10 videos, and $2 for every video after that. How many videos are after that? Well, it's videos minus 10 in there, okay? And then 2 times that. So don't forget about bed mass. That's going to go 2 times videos minus 10, and then it's going to add 10 to it, okay? I have a colon, I have a tab in there. Else. Okay, so if it's less than 10, or if it is 10. If it's not greater than 10. So, else. Total equals 2 times videos. Print, total cost, ST, total cost, one of those, comma, total. Does that make sense? No. I have a problem with this code. The problem is that this is not if it's greater than 10. It's if it's greater or equal to. Greater than or equal to. If we read the question carefully, if a customer rents 10 videos, they are charged $10 for the first 10 and $2 for each above that. So it's greater than or equal to 10. That's what that little symbol there means. Let's give it a shot. How many videos do you need? 3. And I should be charged 6 because it's going to come down here. It's going to check, is videos greater than 10? And it's going to say no. So it'll jump straight to this else statement and that should fire. Choice. Okay, let's try the other option. How many videos do you need? I need 22. The total cost, 34. Nice. I think that should be right. And one more time, how many videos do you need? I need 10 exactly. Check your boundary cases. Total cost, 10. Fantastic. Question 1, done. See you in the next one.